Hello coders, this particular Excel video will be over formatting in a way such as whenever you are clicking on a particular cell, that cell will be taking up a particular formatted color. So how to achieve this? So instead of just writing this data manually one more time, what I will be doing is that I will be simply pressing the control key and then click and drag all the way across to make a duplicate of it. So let, let me name it duplicate. Now we'll be just clearing out all the format which it has copied from the earlier sheet so that we can work out from scratch. So clear rules, clear from entire sheet, fine. Now over this particular set of data, this data range which has been selected, we'll be applying a new rule which will be based on a formula. So which formula we will be using? We will be using equal to cell and then we will be giving an address address fine. If cell address is equal to the employment ID is A2, so if the A2 this particular cell address is equal to the cell which is being selected, so that's basically equal to cell address address fine. So let me zoom out the screen and show me what the formula, whatever formula I am applying. So here is the formula. So cell address of A2. So if the cell address is the cursor is kept this cell address, that is over which the cursor is being clicked, if that is the cell address which is equal to this address, then we will be applying some format which will be something like we can select any color, maybe uh, red, maybe fine, or and maybe I can change the font as well, so maybe italic, fine. Now let me press OK and OK. Now this formula has to take effect only if, so we'll be going to the view code section and then we'll be moving to this particular worksheet to, okay, from let me close this one and this one as well. So over this particular sheet we'll be applying a view code. So we'll be applying this particular code, that is target.calculate. So target.calculate means that whatever in whichever cell I have clicked, that is the target, calculate the formatting which has been applied. Now let me close this particular window. Now whenever I'm clicking on a particular cell, so target dot calculate, what it is calculating, it is calculating the function, use a function to format this particular cell which is equal to cell address comma A2, this particular cell, the first cell of the particular data range, if that equals to the target value, that is the cell over which the cursor is being kept. That's all for this short video tutorial. I know it might sound a bit complicated. Take a watch the video back and forth to get a grasp of whatever I tried to explain. Anyways, thank you all guys and happy.